All right, so when we're graphing logs, the first point that we graph is always going to be 1 and 0. The reason for that is because even if you have, like, let's say we had log 4 of x. If we have log 4 of x equals 1, that is always, or sorry, log 4 of 1, it's late. Log 4 of 1 is always going to equal 0, even if you have a stretch out here. Because this amount right here is 0, the whole term is going to be 0. So even when you have a stretch, you're going to end up with your first point at x. X is 1 and then y is 0. Now our asymptote for a log is given by this term right here. And because x is lie, our asymptote is going to be at -3. So our first point is at x is 1 and y is 0. From there, because x is lie, we are going to go left 3 and up 5. So from that point right here, we go 1, 2, 3 to the left, and then up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is our actual first point once we do our transformations. Left 3 and up 5. Our second point, if you think about it, now that on the board, we have our thing that says this is base and this is stretch, which makes sense because if you take the log base 4 of 4, so if we plug in 4 for our x value right here, that is going to equal 1, or if there's a number out here, it's going to equal the stretch of that. So it makes sense that it would be base and stretch, so that's going to equal 1. So to get to that first point, we're going to go right 4 and up 1. So here's our first point, and then from there, again, we do our transformations. So we go left 3 and up 5, and there's our point, and then we're just gonna make kind of a log shape out of that, like something sort of like that.